Before we start creating a Maya account, you should have a phone number first, yung hindi pa nagamit on any Maya account since ito yung ating magiging account number. And also, maghanda ng valid ID for verification later since mag-upgrade tayo from basic to upgraded account. Overall, it's a very simple process. So, without further delay, let's get started. Let's begin. For starters, go to Google Store or App Store and download Maya app. Now, buksan na natin ang app. Upon first opening, meron kang makikitang data privacy section. Mas maiging basahin lahat. If you agree, click agree and continue button to proceed. Then, select natin start an account. There will be an onboarding info about Maya. Then, after, click get started to continue. A pop-up protect your account by sharing your location. Click continue. Now, to start a Maya account, enter first name, last name, and optionally email address. Let's leave that blank for now. Then, click continue. For your login details, input your phone number and enter password. Double check, and when all goods, click continue. It is recommended to read the data privacy section for terms and condition, then for privacy policy. Then click continue. We're now in data personalization. Tap the type of data personalization you want or just simply enable it all. Click save. It will require one-time PIN sent in your registered mobile number. After confirming the OTP, you will be greeted that you have successfully created a basic Maya account. Now, let's go to home first. So we have now our Maya all-in-one e-wallet. Our next step is to upgrade our basic account. Click the profile icon in the upper left corner. Click the upgrade now under upgrade your account. Here's the steps to upgrade your account. Let's check the complete list of ID first. These are the full list of acceptable IDs. If you have a primary ID, you only need one. In my case, Umid yung gagamitin ko. Take note from Maya, required na dapat malakas at stable yung internet nyo bago mag-proceed sa upgrade at verification process. So, continue na tayo. Click next. Tap natin. I'm a Filipino. Then click next. We're now on identification card. Select natin, type ID, Umid yung sa akin. Then, input natin yung ID number. Now, let's take a photo of our Umid. Enable natin yung ating camera. Basahin mabuti yung every guidelines sa pagkuha ng ID photo. Now, let's take a photo on front first. Make sure the photo is clear enough. Kung hindi, you can retake and find a good camera or lighting. The info must be the same on the one you will enter. So, now, meron na tayong photo of our ID. Click next to proceed. Face verification naman. Make sure you are in a well-lit room and remove any accessories from your face. Also, dapat walang ibang tao, ikaw lang dapat. Tap record video. If okay na, blink your eyes to capture. Next, your personal info natin. Fill upan lahat. Full name, address, date of birth, work, etc. Pag okay na, click next. Let's review first before we submit. Make sure the information is correct. If everything looks great, let's now click submit on the upper right corner to proceed. Another pop-up reminds us that everything should be okay. To keep the approval process smooth, reminder lang, you can only have one Maya account at a time if you have another one under your name. So, click na natin, submit. Now, our application is now under review. Max of 24 hours ang review process nila. Now, we receive 20 pesos reward for creating an account with Maya. Hintayin na lang natin kung kailan ma-approve yung upgrade natin.
Few moments later.
So, ito na guys, after 4 minutes, approved na tayo. For confirmation, Maya will send a text message. Also, you can get additional 40 pesos when you complete your first transaction since upgraded na tayo. Now, puntahan na natin sa ating app kung upgraded na nga ba. So now, we're fully upgraded na. We can now see the full benefits of having a fully verified account and with a higher account limits. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope ito ay nakatulong. Feel free to comment kung meron kayong mga katanungan. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.